welcome to my channel. It's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147, and I've got a little unboxing today. So I've been having a browse on AliExpress and I like to have a look and see what the newly listed items are, just to see if I can find things that may be a little bit different. Maybe you've seen them and want to know what they're like. And I was browsing and I spotted this one. Now, it did take a long time to get to me. In the grand scheme of things, not a long time, but it has taken a long time compared to quite a few other things I've had from AliExpress recently. So let me show you what it is first. So this is what it is. That's the bag empty, so let's get rid of that. It is a clutch bag with diamond painting on the front, and I thought it was rather interesting. So I thought I need one of these. Very similar to the notebooks, that sort of thing. I'm quite liking these quirky little things. Maybe I can incorporate them into things I hold diamond painting stuff in. It cost me the grand total of £3.74. So it was £3.53 and 21p shipping. So bargain, really, in the grand, in overall, absolute bargain. But it did take 24 days to get to me. As I'm unboxing this, it's just arrived this morning. I was wondering if it had got lost. But, oh, that's still sticky. I was trying to check because the clear cover had come off. But there's not a huge amount of areas that you diamond paint, but enough to make it sparkle a little bit. So let's have a look. Has it got anything inside? Oh, no, it's just the lining has not been pushed all the way down. I thought, so the lining hasn't been pushed into the both corners, but it has got a lining, which is quite nice. So it's just black inside, just a little zip up. Thought it could maybe hold spare diamonds for a project, or maybe this could be used as a toolkit on the go, maybe a little bit easier. But yeah, it's sweet, and I don't think it'll take too long to put together. So toolkit, very, very basic, standard pink pen, green tray, looks like it has 3 baggies with it and a small piece of wax. But let's have a look at the diamonds that we get, because these ones tend to be, you know, more of the what we call special diamonds. They tend to have a few different little shapes in them. So let's start with number 1. We have some little teardrop in silver. Well, not even teardrop, they're like petal shapes, and in purple. Then we have some, oh, they're a really nice sort of copper colour. If you can, let's try them that way. You can see it a bit easier. Let's do this. So that's copper and some little gems, and then we have some little red ones and some little pearls. Then we have teardrops. That's more of a teardrop shape, and they're in a aqua turquoise. We have your standard silver, standard pink, dark blue, turquoise blue and yellow. So I think that is going to be really, really fun. I might in fact just do it now. I might just do it and then show you what it looks like. But yeah, for £3 something, you know, even if you just want to get these as gifts and give them as the actual kit itself, that's great. Or you can have them as fun little projects to do in between your diamond paintings and then give them as gifts completed. Whichever works for you, really. But I'll get some diamonds stuck on this and I'll let you know what it looks like. Speak to you in a moment. Well, it's finished and it sparkles, which is always good. Now, in relation to diamonds, I do have spares of quite decent quantities, in regards to even the special shape ones, the different shapes, the sort of pearl and the red. But you may notice there's no number 9. So number 9 was the deep blue. here, and I'm actually missing 2. I'm missing 2 up here. I don't have them. And of all the colours of these sort of normal shape rhinestone diamonds that they could have missed, they've missed the one and only colour that I haven't got in my stash. So I am going to have to message the seller. If it was silver, the clear ones, or even this sort of tealy blue, I would have had it. But for some reason, I don't have the dark blue. I haven't done anything before with that dark blue rhinestone on it, so I don't have it to fill the gaps. So I am going to have to message the seller about that. But otherwise, every other colour, loads left. So I'm not quite sure what's happened with that one. But either way, I think for £3 something, that is a very, very gorgeous little bag. I may have a look in my scrapbooking supplies, because I know I did have some of these small rhinestones in different colours, so I may have a look and see if I have got that. I'll probably still message the seller and let them know that they're missing, but if I have them, I don't want them to inflict the cost of sending them out if I do have them in my spares. It is only 2, it's not the end of the world. However, if I don't have them, I want them. So I'll keep you updated on how that goes. But either way, that is a sweet little bag, ready for putting all your supplies in, even moving it about like that. It's all the diamonds are staying where they're supposed to, so there's not much more that you can ask than that, really, is there? So yeah, that's my cute little clutch bag. That's from AliExpress. I'll pop the link in the comments below in case you want to grab yourself one, or at least have a look, and I'll keep you updated on the response from the seller in regards to the missing diamonds. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.